Vitamin D benefits, deficiency side effects, and natural sources. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It helps absorb calcium and phosphorus, essential for strong bones and teeth. Additionally, vitamin D supports immune function, mood regulation, and muscle health. Benefits of vitamin D. Bone health. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, preventing bone diseases like osteoporosis and rickets. Immune system. Adequate vitamin D levels can strengthen the immune response, reducing the risk of infections. Mood regulation. Some studies suggest a link between vitamin D deficiency and depression. Muscle function. Vitamin D is involved in muscle growth and strength. Weight management. Research indicates a potential connection between vitamin D and weight control. Side effects of vitamin D deficiency. Weak bones, osteoporosis and osteomalacia are common consequences of vitamin D deficiency. Muscle weakness. Low vitamin D levels can lead to muscle aches and weakness. Increased risk of infections. A weakened immune system due to vitamin D deficiency can make you more susceptible to illnesses. Mood disorders, depression and anxiety have been linked to vitamin D deficiency. Natural sources of vitamin D. Sunlight exposure. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure on the skin. However, the amount of vitamin D produced depends on factors like skin tone, latitude, and time of year. Fortified foods. Many foods, including milk, orange juice, cereal, and yogurt, are fortified with vitamin D. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are excellent sources of vitamin D. Egg yolks. Eggs contain a small amount of vitamin D. Liver, beef liver and chicken liver are good dietary sources of vitamin D. Note: while sunlight exposure is a natural way to obtain vitamin D, excessive sun exposure can increase the risk of skin cancer. It's essential to balance sun exposure with sun protection measures. If you're concerned about your vitamin D status, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for a blood test to assess your levels. They can advise on appropriate supplementation or dietary changes to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D.